At Saber Grills, we're big believers in the concept of having it all. That's why our premier infrared grills are designed to give you just that. Until now, grilling your seafood on the lowest of temperatures was impossible if you were searing a steak a few inches over. But with Saber's patented zonal cooking system, each burner zone can be set to a different temperature, is housed in its own compartment, and has little effect on the temperature of the others. How do we do it? The secret is in our advanced emitter. Unlike other infrared grills and traditional gas grills, we do not use ceramic emitters. Ours is 304 commercial-grade stainless steel. It controls the air circulation to provide extremely even and manageable heat, more versatility, and better cooking performance. What's more, the Saber Advanced Infrared technology means even heat distribution, eliminates flare-ups, and delivers the juiciest meals you've ever grilled. Experience the flexibility Saber Zonal Grilling offers and enjoy the delicious results. Infrared, considered the benchmark in premium outdoor cooking, is now getting even better. At Saber, we've raised the bar by introducing unparalleled levels of performance, value, and reliability. First, thanks to our unique commercial-grade stainless steel emitter, flare-ups are all but eliminated. Secondly, our unique patented infrared system provides outdoor chefs with the pure infrared heat they've been asking for. And third, our system protects food from the greatest amount of air possible by venting the airflow out of the front and back of the grill, preventing foods from drying out. Together, these three features form the trifecta of serving up the juiciest, most mouth-watering meals you've ever cooked. But amazing grilling isn't its only benefit. Imagine no hot spots or cold spots, just even temperatures throughout. Plus, you'll cook with fewer BTUs and reduce gas consumption by 30%. And despite all these added features, Saber still costs hundreds less than its competitors. All in all, our infrared cooking system is so revolutionary it's patented and guaranteed for years of worry-free, maintenance-free grilling. Saber, the premium grill that's second to none. Saber grills are beautifully designed, manufactured to the highest standards, and are made of the finest materials. And though they are the envy of the neighborhood, what you will enjoy most about your new grill is just the everyday ease it'll add to your backyard cooking. Conveniences like premium infrared cooking technology that makes flare-ups a thing of the past, maintaining even temperatures and keeping foods tender and juicy. Saber grills have fast preheating, getting your grill to 700 degrees in just 10 minutes. Zonal cooking, so you can sear steaks on one side of the grill and at the same time cook delicate foods on the other. Our electronic ignition provides reliable burner startups every time. Many Saber grills feature integrated towel bars and tool holders. In addition to single side burners, many also have dual side burners for superior boiling, frying performance, or just keeping side dishes warm as you grill. And not only is cooking on a Saber grill easy, but owning one is as well. You'll use a third less propane, plus converting to natural gas is a snap. Just purchase our simple kit and you won't even need a plumber or gas technician. But our features don't stop at the grills themselves. We're especially proud of our outstanding online and dealer service, providing fast response and information access for any need. Saber, premium grilling, made easy and affordable. Great chefs know the best way to ruin a meal is by cutting corners. At Saber, our engineers believe the same is true of great cooking equipment. They insist on only the highest quality materials and construction. That is why our steel tube card and firebox frames are welded for superior strength, stability, and durability. Our shelves are bolted into the fully welded card frame to provide the most secure, solid work surface possible. Saber burner boxes, firebox liners, and grease trays are all porcelain coated for easy cleanup and low maintenance. Our lids, designed and engineered for smooth operation without flexing. In fact, most of our grill components are manufactured from non-magnetic commercial kitchen-grade 304 stainless steel. As you can see, no shortcuts were taken, no detail overlooked, and only the highest quality materials used. Saber Grills. They're built to provide years of worry-free service and cooking enjoyment. Saber Grills are built stronger to last longer, but you can help extend their life even more with regular cleaning and simple maintenance. Saber Grills are made with a front access grease tray to make cleaning easy. For the grates, we recommend using the included 304 stainless steel grate cleaning tool and a grill brush. Our Saber heavy-duty brush is built tough and designed to last. It has a removable stainless steel bristle head for easy cleaning or replacement. Is dishwasher safe and has a 1-year warranty. Everything else you need to maintain, clean, and care for your stainless steel Saber grill is contained in our cloth and polish starter kit. Included is a high-quality polish that leaves a deep glossy sheen designed to repel water spots and fingerprints. It also comes with a microfiber cloth so you can clean safely without scratching or leaving fibers. Our heavy-duty marine-grade grill cover fits perfectly to provide maximum protection from the elements, keeping your grill looking new from the start. Proper care of your Saber will mean a lifetime of great grilling. We've made Saber grills easy to assemble, so you'll be grilling in no time. You'll need a 3/8" drive ratchet with 7/16" socket or a 7/16" combination wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. Grill assembly takes approximately 45 minutes start to finish. Step 1. To begin, place the front and rear cart half assemblies on a work surface with the caster mounting holes facing up. Next, orient the halves so they're facing each other. Step 2. Install the 4 cart connectors into the tubing on the front half of the cart. You'll use 4 1/4 25/8" bolts with 1/4" washers, bolting through the tubing and into the cart connector. Use your fingers to tighten. Next, slide the rear half of the cart toward the front half to engage the cart connectors with the cart rear half tubing and secure in 4 places using the 1/4 25/8" bolts and 1/4" washers. Tighten all bolts securely. Step 3. Open the cart doors and slide the bottom shelf assembly into the cart. Attach the bottom shelf using 6 1/4 25/8" bolts and 1/4" washers. Install bolts and washers in all 6 locations as indicated in your instructions. Tighten all bolts securely. Step 4. First, lock the swivel casters by depressing the locking tab on each caster by hand. Rotating clockwise, screw the casters into the caster mounting holes at the corners of the cart. Tighten the casters securely by hand. Unlock the swivel casters by raising the locking tab. With the assistance of a helper, turn the cart over onto the casters. Step 5. First, lower the tank exclusion shelf into the assembled cart. Then insert the horizontal rear wire into the wire retainer on the rear panel first, and lower the vertical wire into the corresponding wire retainer. Next, secure the tank exclusion shelf with 2 10/24 3/8" machine screws. The side panel screw should be inserted from outside the cart. The second screw should be inserted through the wire shelf leg and into the bottom shelf. Step 6. First, remove all cooking grates, emitter plates, and the warming rack from the firebox. With the assistance of your helper, place the firebox onto the cart assembly by locating the connectors into the open tubes at each corner of the cart. Use 4 1/4 25/8" bolts and 1/4" washers to secure the firebox. If the firebox connectors are difficult to align properly, slightly loosen the bolts on the firebox side. Be sure to tighten all bolts securely when complete. Step 7. Locate the side shelf mounting holes on the right-hand side of the firebox. Partially install a 1/4 25/8" bolt into the top holes Then position the side shelf assembly over these 2 bolts and allow it to drop down into the keyhole slot. Install the 2 remaining 1/4 25/8 inch bolts into the bottom holes and tighten all bolts securely. Repeat this step for the left side shelf with side burner. Step 8. To connect the gas supply hose fitting to the side burner valve manifold, place fitting over side burner valve manifold and release the lock collar. Next, check to see that the fitting is secure. Raise the side burner lid and place the side burner cooking grate into position. Insert the side burner igniter wire through the hole in the firebox side panel to position it for connection to the igniter module. Step 9. First, open the cart doors. Remove the ignition module battery cap and plastic nut. Connect all wires to the ignition module as noted in the assembly guide. Insert the ignition module with wires into the heat shield and secure by hand using the plastic nut. Now install the battery into the ignition module. Be sure to install the battery with the positive terminal out. Replace the ignition module battery cap. Step 10. Open the cart doors. Place a door handle at the top of the door, aligning the screw holes. Secure with 2 10/24 3/8 inch machine screws. Repeat for the other door. Step 11. Replace the emitter plates, taking care to ensure that the peaks of the emitter plate with holes are facing up. Replace all cooking grates and the warming rack. The emitter holes should be located under the cooking grate bars when assembly is correct. Step 12. Connect your propane tank and start up your new Saber Grill.